Hi everyone, good morning. This is Indra. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about construction of a triangle when two sides and angle between these two sides are given. Here I have taken one example. Please watch this video till the end so that you will be very clear about how to construct a triangle when two sides and the angle between them are given. And if you don't subscribe my channel yet, please make sure to subscribe it and press the bell icon for instant notification of all the uploaded videos from this channel. Without wasting any further time, let's go ahead. This is the question. Here I have taken the question: construct a triangle. Triangle name is here ABC, in which the two sides are given. The sides AB and the BC are given here, and the angle between them, angle between the sides AB and BC is also here given. Angle at B is here given as a 60 degree. First of all, very first step while solving such type of the construction is taking one side. Let's take one side of the triangle. Let me take the side AB first. Okay, which is 5 centimeter. So let me first take the ruler, and then after measuring the 5 centimeter, okay, this is the ruler. Let me take here, okay, and let me draw a line segment of the 5 centimeter long. Okay, line segment. Let's make the line segment of the 5 centimeter. Okay, this is the line segment of the length 5 centimeter long. Okay, here first made one side. Let's say this is the side AB. This is side AB. This is side AB, which is given here 5 centimeter long, which is here 5 centimeter. This is the side AB, and let's mark the point in points A and B. Okay, let me mark the in points A and B. Okay, this is the point A, this point A, and this is the in point B. Here we first take one side AB, which is 5 centimeter long, and here represents the in points. Here we mark the in points, and the second step is making an angle. Here the angle is formed, angle 60 degree is formed at the point B. So taking B as a vertex, let's draw an angle of 60 degree with this line segment. Let's make an angle of 60 degree at the point B, taking B as a vertex, and the angle will be formed with the line segment AB, with the side AB. So let me take the compass. I am going to construct an angle of 60 degree by using the compass. You can use the protractor also here. Let me take the compass here. Okay, and putting the one side, putting the needle. This is the needle of the compass at the point B, because here the angle 60 degrees is formed at this point. So let's draw an arc. Okay, this is an arc, and without changing the adjustment of the compass, we have not changed. We have to use the same adjustment. If the adjustment of the compass is changed, then the angle 60 degree will not be formed. This is the rule of making an angle of by using the compass. We have not to change the adjustment. We have to use the same adjustment here. Okay, and let me rotate it. Okay, here I am going to make an angle of 60 degree. Okay, and let's cut this arc like this. Here a point. Okay, here a point of the intersection between these two arcs. Let's mark this point of the intersections. Okay, this point or this point represents the point of the intersection between these two arcs, and if we join this point to the point B, then an angle of the 60 degree will be formed. One time cutting means just 60 degree. So let me join these 2 points. You can use the scale to join these 2 points. Okay, let's join, and let me extend it. Okay, very straightly we have to extend this line segment very straightly. Okay, here we have joined this point to the point B, and here in angle, this angle, let me write this angle here, the angle between these 2 line segment. Okay, this angle, let me write here. Okay, here this angle between the this line segment, 2 sides AB, and this sides is here just 60 degree. This is angle 60 degree. One time cutting means 60 degree angle here. Okay, let me edit it. Here an angle of the 60 degree. This is just 60 in the degree measurement. Okay, this is the next step. Here first step is taking one side and making one side, and the next step is making an angle of the 60 degree at that point. Here we have taken the point B as a vertex. Okay, and here let's find out the point C. Here the 2 points A and the B are identified so far. So let's find out the next point C. And the point C, here the one given information is BC. The length of the BC is here 6 centimeter. From this point B, the C is located at the 6 centimeter away. Let's find out the point C. So measuring the 6 centimeter arc by using this compass. Okay, let me measure. We have to measure the 6 centimeter because the BC is just 6. Okay, let me extend it. Let me extend it almost 6 centimeter. Okay, this is okay. Let me do here. We have to measure the 6 centimeter because this BC is 6 centimeter. Okay, this is 6 centimeter. Okay, let's drag this compass, and from this point B, the location of the point C is 6 centimeter away from this point B. So let's cut this line by the same arc, by the arc of the 6 centimeter radius. Let's cut. Okay, here just cut that line from the point B by taking the 6 centimeter radius arc. Okay, and here the point of the intersection, this point is here from this point. This is the location of the point C. Let me write that this is the just the point C. This is the point C. Okay, let's join A to C. Let me join here. Okay, this is the point A, and let's join from A to C. Here a triangle is constructed. Triangle ABC is constructed in which the side AB is 5 centimeter and angle between the side AB and BC is here 60 degree, or we can say the angle at the point B is here 60 degree, and the length of this side BC is here just, this is 6 centimeter. Here we finally construct a triangle ABC by fulfilling these given conditions. Here the conditions is 2 sides are given and angle between these 2 sides also given. Okay, this is the condition. In our next video we will discuss more about the construction of the triangle in the different situations. Please keep watching, keep loving this channel, and don't forget to subscribe it. This much for today. Thank you.